Hey, by now I'm sure you heard of the word Copilot in regards to Microsoft Office. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what Copilot is. Now, some people say it's the best thing ever after sliced bread, and some people say it's absolutely useless. So let's not beat around the bush. Copilot is basically AI features that has been integrated into MS Office. It allows you to do a lot of things by giving the AI engine commands, just like how you've been using something like ChatGPT. So according to the Microsoft website, it says you can analyze, understand, and visualize your data with ease. And it says you can create using Copilot, edit, and understand using Copilot. So the thing is, using something like ChatGPT in Excel is not exactly new. What we used to do is go into the add-ins section of your Excel and add a plugin, something like GPT for Word and Excel, and you can go ahead and use the ChatGPT functions. But the difference here is that GPT for Excel Word is not by Microsoft and Copilot is. So you're going to have much better integration and better efficiency. If you didn't want to use a plugin, you also had the option to actually use ChatGPT externally as well. So let's go ahead and delete this function. Now let's say that we need to sum up the salary column, but we don't know how to get the sum function. So let's go into ChatGPT and I've typed in a very simple prompt here saying give me an Excel formula to add cells F3 to F17. If I just hit enter, ChatGPT is going to populate a formula for me. All I had to do was copy and then go back into Excel, paste it into the formula bar and hit enter, and instantly it's going to give me the answer. Also, please leave a like if you're finding this video helpful. Now, instead of doing this via an external source, what's going to happen now going forward is that you will have the ability to use Copilot, and you will have a section right here where you will be able to give prompts to Copilot, and Copilot will not only give you the formula, but it will also execute the formula. You just basically be able to go into Excel, open up Copilot and give it a prompt saying add up my salary per month column, and not only will it automatically calculate it for you, it will display it where you want it to be displayed. You can ask Copilot to highlight certain features like assistant managers, or you can ask Copilot to highlight all the salaries above 10,000. You can ask Copilot to filter all the customer support department executives, and so on. The possibilities are endless. Now, unfortunately, I'm not able to show you all of this in this video because for some reason I'm not able to get Copilot on my system. I'm not sure if it's not launched to everyone. When you do get access, you will be able to see it right next to this analyze data on your desktop version. And I also tried it using this try in Excel feature where it is supposed to show me right up here in the ribbon section before the add-ins, but that is not visible to me as well. But I have done some research, and what I have understood is that while it can do most of the functions, the problem is that it takes a lot of time to actually perform it. This could possibly be because it's still in preview and it's still not out for everyone. What I can tell you though is that if I were to sum up this column, it would be so easy for me to just hit Alt and equal to and hit enter rather than going and typing prompts in ChatGPT or Copilot and waiting for it to understand what exactly it is that you want and then executing it. It is so much easier for you to just perform the functions yourself rather than using Copilot if you do know Excel. You might be a wizard in Excel when it comes to VLOOKUP formula or sum formula or count formula, but you might not know how to use a pivot table or you might not know how to insert charts in Excel. But I can certainly see how useful it's going to be for someone who's going to be using Excel for the first time, someone's going to be using a new function for the first time, and when you are all of a sudden in that situation where you need to make a chart, it's going to be very easy to just ask Copilot to prepare a chart based on the data that you have on your Excel sheet. Now you could wait for Copilot to get faster and smarter, or you could just click here and get better at Excel by learning more Excel skills on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.